Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing the iPhone XR so activation proceeds without errors. Make sure your device runs the carrier-supported iOS. This prevents compatibility issues. Once done, position the QR code or open the carrier app. These supply the Esim profile. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi and keep battery above 20% so the download and provisioning finish uninterrupted. You're now ready to add a cellular plan. Follow the Add Cellular Plan flow in settings to import the Esim. You now add the Esim profile step by step. Open Settings, tap Cellular, then Add Cellular Plan. The camera will scan the carrier QR code and download the profile. If the carrier provided SMDP Plus and activation codes, choose Enter Details manually and input them exactly. This ensures the profile registers with the carrier. Once the plan installs, label it Work, Personal, and decide whether it's your default for voice, SMS, or cellular data so the phone handles calls and data correctly. Finish by confirming the line is active. Restart the iPhone, then verify cellular data and carrier options show the new plan. If you don't see signal or can't place calls, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to refresh network registration, and if needed, remove and reinstall the Esim profile to reset provisioning. If problems persist, contact your carrier with the iPhone XR IMEI and EID. They can push the profile or fix provisioning on their side. This one step usually resolves stubborn activation issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.